Hello, welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I'll show you how to view likes on X. Open X application on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Then go to your profile and swipe across the tabs that you have on your profile. Go to Likes tab, and here you will see every single post that you have ever liked. And additionally, this tab is only visible for you now since 2024, and that means that no one else can check your likes. But sometimes posts that you liked may still show up in your followers feed, but actually there is no way for them to browse your full likes list, like on your profile. And if you want to save posts without liking them at all, you should use your bookmarks. So go to some certain post that you want to save and tap this bookmark icon below it, and this will save this post to your bookmarks. If you go to let's go to profile picture, and here you can see several sections. You have to find bookmarks, and here you will see every single post that you have ever saved to your bookmarks. Yes, and additionally I forgot to mention that you cannot view someone else's likes tab anymore on X, because X platform made likes private for all users in 2024. Yes, so that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.